Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you are gonna come along with me to Michael's. I'm actually in the search of this specific yarn. So in case you guys didn't know, I was working on this project with another yarn from Bernat. With the stitch of my previous tutorial. I'm gonna leave it somewhere over here so you guys can check it out. It is a really pretty stitch. It's a variation of the V-stitch, and you only need to know how to double crochet. So the point of this video is that I was working on a project with that stitch and that other yarn that I talked to you about, but I am not liking how it is turning out because you can hardly see the stitch with that yarn, and I absolutely love the yarn. I love the color, but the yarn has like different types of, I think it's like 3 types of colors on it, and the stitch, you can hardly see the stitch on it. So I saw online that Michael's has on their Karen Cakes line, it's something about clouds, or feels like clouds. I will double check and put it somewhere around here, but they are sold out online. I can't go pick it up, and sometimes when it says that, they actually do have it on the store. So I'm gonna go and see if I can find it, because the color that I saw was called cinnamon, and it looks so freaking cute, and I think it's gonna work out for that project. Now I hope I can find it. This might be just another excuse to get more yarn, I know, but I just wasn't feeling it with the other one. And speaking of yarn, please come back in October, because I'm doing a giveaway of a bunch of yarn that I have in my house stored. You know, we collect yarn here and there when we're in the store and we don't use it. Especially me, I don't have a lot of time to crochet a bunch of stuff just because I'm working and doing other stuff. So I decided I'm gonna give away a bunch of the yarn that I just have stored that I know I'm not gonna get to, because you guys know I'm always buying new yarn or reviewing yarn. I just love to collect yarn, but I just feel so bad that it's stored away. So I'm doing a giveaway on that next month, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, come along with me to Michael's to look for the cloudy yarn, something with cloud. I'm pretty sure it's soft, but yeah, let's go. You guys, I was so bummed because I was here at Michael's and they did not have the color that I was looking for. They did have some of the cloud cakes, but I was looking for the cloud facing, which is they had different colors, so they didn't have any. They were pretty much out of a lot of their Karen line yarn, but I hope they do a restock soon. You guys, I was actually so freaking bummed that they don't have the yarn. I might go to another Michael's in another city, or maybe I'll just go to Joann's and get a different type of yarn, because I was also thinking of getting the scarfy one by Lion Brand. Sorry if the sun is, this is not helping. But yeah, the scarfy one had a really pretty color too that I was probably thinking of using. But yeah, so I was super bummed out that I decided to go to Dutch Bros and try their fall drinks. I'm actually not a huge Dutch Bros girl. I'm actually like a Starbucks person, but even then I don't go that often. I don't go like every day. I go like once a month, if so. But yeah, this one, it was a pumpkin, was it called? No, it was caramel pumpkin brulee, and I got it blended, and it looks super good. Like, I hope it's good, because it was $6.78. You guys, when are these things, have they always been this expensive? I mean, I'm pretty sure they're good, but 678 good, I don't know. So yeah, that is why I don't drink them that often. But yeah, that's what I did because I was so sad. I just wanted to find an excuse to spend my money. So this is actually really good. But anyways, I'm gonna drink this and then I will, if I don't vlog, if I don't go to another store, I will just wrap this up right now. But I will try to show you updates of the project that I am doing, the cloud one, back in stock soon, because the ones that they had were like the regular line. I'm looking for the facing one where it's like kind of like a ombre effect, but it's like it doesn't leave like harsh lines. At least is what I think, that's why it's called like that. But yeah, if I don't find it, I'll just use another type of yarn and I will try to give you updates here on this vlog. If not, I will just end it here and say goodbye. You guys, this was literally the next day. I went back to Joann's and I found the cutest yarn by Lion Brand. I believe it's their landscapes and it's like the new one. They used to have, their original ones were different colors, but this is renewed and is so freaking soft. So I think it's gonna be the perfect yarn for the project that I have in mind. So stay tuned for that. And here's a little peek, you guys, of how this project is looking. I am already loving the stitch definition of this yarn, and look at the color. I feel like the color is slowly changing. You can hardly tell where one ends and where it begins. So this is exactly what I was looking for. But yeah, you guys, I really love how this stitch looks with this yarn. So I am so happy that I decided to change the yarn that I was using. So yeah, that is all I wanted to say. And when I finish this project, I will have a tutorial for you guys. So make sure to come back to my channel. And now I am saying goodbye. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.